What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Welcome back. In this video, we got the wife on the back of the bike. We're dressed up nice, baby. Got no gloves, of course. Fits the suit. I still haven't bought any gloves for her. Damn, kind of an asshole, aren't I? But yeah, man, we're back. We're out here riding. We about to hit the freeway though, because we are going to a wedding. So we gonna hit the freeway, man. We gonna hit the freeway, and we're gonna head to this wedding, and then have a nice little date night at that wedding, and I don't know, see what we can get into. So I figured, hey, we're going on a nice little ride, might as well record. She's nervous. I'm not. It's a good time to see if it can handle the freeway with two people. Holy shit, we're putting this little guy to work today. We're not going very far, so it shouldn't be too crazy. We're probably just gonna chill at the 70-mile-an-hour range, but 2 up on the freeway, on the Rebel, baby. It feels pretty chill from my perspective. I'm not sure how she's gonna feel about it. It is definitely, I mean, it's an open bike, man. I got no windshield. It's wild out here in the West, baby. So yeah, we're just slow lane chilling. So far, it feels relatively fine. Not a problem at all. We're gonna slow down to this curve here. Hello, brother. Another no helmet couple. They're crazy. We full face around here, dog. Can't fall without a helmet. You know what I mean? You gotta wear a real helmet. Thankfully, it's not too bad. Honestly, the bike kind of feels a little bit better with another person on it, just because I am so light. I am a light, oops, I'm sorry, my visor has been cracked that whole time. It's probably windy. I am a very light boy. Embarrassingly, I finally hit 140 pounds, so I'll take it. I'm going up in the world, dude. Trying to get to 160, that's my goal. Obviously, I've been working out, trying to build muscle. I mean, on top of that, I'm just trying to gain fat mass as well. Any sort of bulking helps, because then I can turn that into muscle, right? Like, when you're coming from nothing, you need a little bit of fat. So, that's what I've been on. Right now, I'm doing a challenge of 100 push-ups and sit-ups a day for 100 days. So, we'll see how that goes. I mean, on an average basis, I do 100 push-ups a day. I'd say like 5 to 6 days out of the week. I normally take Sunday off on the push-up gang. But I mean, you don't really need to take a day off, you know what I mean? I don't know. I feel like there's no days off in life, but normally that's when I'm like out doing cardio. Like, I'll go ride my bike on Sundays a lot. So for me, it's not necessarily even cardio. It's like a full body, more so back than anything. I feel like BMX is very back oriented as well. I mean, just general like body and upper body strength. I mean, your legs do come into play, obviously, with pedaling and all that good shit, but I don't know. It's not enough to, I think it keeps your legs really toned, but it's not enough to build like muscle. Whereas, you know, when like doing bunny hops and actual tricks do to an extent. But yeah, man, enough of my workout ramble. I think we're good, dude. I'm having a great time. She hasn't freaked out yet. She's probably freaking out internally when all the wind comes and hits her. But we'll see how she likes it when we get to where we're going. Have a conversation. get like a Harley Cruiser, to be honest. That is like, that would be the play. Something big that we could both ride on nicely. Go far distances. I guess even a 1100 Rebel would be a nice upgrade for this sort of thing. I mean, I can feel the heat from the engine on my legs, so it's definitely, I'd say a little bit warmer. Warmer than usual. I don't really know. It's been a minute since I've done any freeway riding. Holy crap. But somebody's smoking the kush. I can smell it. Oh my lord. Ooh. But yeah, man, I don't know. It doesn't feel excessive, but it's also like 80 degrees out. We're 2 up. It's working a little bit harder than normal. So I guess we gotta keep all of those things in, you know, our mind and take them into consideration. But overall, it's handling it like a champ. I'm excited. Dude, I smashed a deer right here on in my Speed 6 once. It was so brutal, dude. Well, I mean, I like ran over it. I like straddled it because it was like one of those mini, what the fuck are they called? They're like the little Ford utility van truck things, but dude, it like smacked the deer and I didn't have any time to react, and just like, it like went over, it like literally went over the car and then landed in front of me, and I just straddled it, like hopped it. It was so bad. So bad. Oh, it's a transit van, that's what it is, dude. It literally, like, the transit van made it literally do a backflip over top of it. It was insane. I'm surprised the transit van blew through it like it did. Like, it made me realize they're built pretty well, I guess. He didn't even pull over or stop or anything. I mean, neither did I. I straddled it, kept going. I mean, the bottom of the Speed 6 looks good still. I mean, we've been under there a couple times. That was probably, I'd say like 5 or 6 months before it fully died, which is unfortunate, but yeah, it is what it is. We survived the freeway, we did it! Man, we gotta get ourselves some audio equipment so that me and her can talk. I thought about, honestly, just running normal headphones through the helmet for her, but I haven't done that yet. I think it's outside here, maybe. Alright, can I get a few words about your ride on the freeway? Can we get a small interview? How was the ride?
It was fun.
It was fine?
It was fun.
Did it scare you at all?
No.
No? Be honest.
When we were first going, I got a little nervous, but it's fine. Just because I'm just nervous for other cars, not you.
That's, well, I understand that completely. Alright. Well, I love you.
I love you.
Alright. Peace, everybody. Gotta go to this wedding now.